Welcome to our kitchen oasis. Today I'm going to show you how to make maple ham jam. This is a sweet and savory chutney style jam, perfect for cheese and crackers. First, you cut onion in half and then dice into large chunks like this. This will be cooked for a long time, so you don't have to dice finely. Set it aside. Next, crush the garlic with the blade of a knife and chop. This crushing will activate the garlic flavor. Then dice the ham. Cut into manageable size and remove most of the fat. Some of you may say, that is the best part, but this will be chilled when it is done, and if you don't remove the fat now, the jam will have a white fat layer on the top, which is not very nice. Slice the ham like this. It doesn't have to be super thin. Once it is all sliced, flatten the ham like this and cut the slices into thin strips. But if you prefer big chunks of ham in the jam, you can cut this into wider pieces. After cutting into thin strips, move the ham to change the angle and cut into small pieces. Again, it doesn't have to be neat. I'm aiming 1 to 2 centimeters in length. Now you start cooking. First, you put olive oil in a cold pot or pan and add garlic. Turn the heat to medium and cook slowly until you get that lovely garlic aroma. Then add the onion and keep cooking on medium heat, stirring occasionally. After cooking for 10 minutes or so, or when the onion changes color and slightly browned, it's time to add ham. That's a lot of ham. All in. Mix well. Now it's mixed well. You add seasoning, sugar, brown sugar, maple syrup, apple cider vinegar. Mix well and keep cooking on medium heat for 30 to 45 minutes, stirring occasionally. If you don't use non-stick pan or pot, you may have to cook on lower heat longer so that the jam doesn't burn. After cooking a while, most of the sugary liquid is evaporated. Add balsamic vinegar. Mix and cook it another 10 minutes or so. After you add balsamic vinegar, you prep the jars for bottling. Please watch our marmalade video for bottling process and tips. You can see the description for the link. This jam does not have much liquid, so even if you can seal the jars successfully, it should be used within a month or so and kept in the fridge. Don't worry, this tastes so good and won't last long. Such a great recipe to turn leftover ham into something so different and delicious. This is the best way to use leftover Christmas ham. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.